My dear students, good morning to everybody. I am Chandrasekhar, Mathukumalli Chandrasekhar Rao, a senior lecturer in chemistry, Andhra Pradesh Tribal Welfare Residential Junior College, Sri Kalahasti. I want to do something for the benefit of our beloved children, not only our college, throughout India, to get more benefit from my chemistry subject, for which I am going to upload the YouTube videos since August for my students, for my children who are staying in Kalahasti College. At the same time, not only confined to college, I want to contribute something for our students also, for which I am already uploading videos daily. I want to make all my students to crack JEE mains in a befitting manner. So I want to do something for the enrichment of the chemistry subject for my students. So every day I am sending YouTube videos, Mathukumalli Chandrasekhar Rao. So as per chemistry is concerned, I already upload two videos, how to achieve 100% marks in chemistry, how to what things you need to applying JEE mains. At the same time, at present I am going to give blueprint. What topics you have to stress, what topics you have to emphasize, giving stress to be more attentive on. So you are supposed to know how many questions have been asked in each and every topic before writing the JEE mains chemistry examinations. If you go, let us start. If you go for transition elements and coordination compounds, which was present in secondary chemistry, that topic will cover three questions. NTA, National Testing Agency, will give three questions, which is paper sector. Will give three questions from that transition elements or D black elements, each in F black elements plus coordination compounds. You can expect three questions from that topic. That means each question carries 4 marks, 3 into 4, 12 marks. At the same time, periodic table, which is heart of the entire chemistry, that topic also they will give three questions. What trends, regular trends in periodic table, electron affinity, electronegativity, periodic properties, ionization energy, increasing order, decreasing order, diagonal relationship. You know very well. Actually, directly if they ask, you can attempt. But at the same time, there is a little isoelectronic series, arrangement of isoelectronic series, decreasing the cationic radius, increasing cation. So while writing that, you may have a little confusion. First IP, second IP, third IP. So that type of question may be also given. So you have to observe half field configuration, complete field configuration, inert gas configuration. So you all, unless you have perfection in periodic table, you cannot attempt the questions. So even the question is easy but somewhat tricky. So be attentive, be perfective in periodic table. They will ask three questions. At the same time, thermodynamics and gas state, entropy, enthalpy. I think these topics may cover numerical problems. You may expect numerical problems. Thermochemistry, enthalpy, entropy. You may expect numerical problems. So pay attention towards numericals. It was maybe present in section B. Section A, I already informed 20 questions. Multiple section B. You have to attempt only 5 questions out of 10. So multiple questions you may expect. The gas state also, RMS velocity, molecular weight, rate of the diffusion, mole concepts, RMS velocity, most probable velocity. So many questions are there in gas state. So kindly be attentive regarding gas state and thermodynamics. Problematic questions. According to first law, second law, thermodynamics, third law. So you pay attention regarding that one. You may expect two questions from this topic. Atomic structure, which is also without atomic structure, nothing is there. With nothing is there. So atomic structure also played a vital role for the benefit of the students. So this topic covers 2 marks, 2 questions. This topic Two questions will be given during JEE main question. At the same time, chemical bond, also one of the chemical bond. Without chemical bond, there is no chemistry. So chemical bond, molecular orbital theory, Fajans also, dipole moment, increasing dipole moment. They have given some molecules, how to, what is the value of dipole moment, which compound has the zero dipole moment, which compound has no some dipole moment. At the same time, bond order, the most important topic, bond order. Definitely, this question will they will ask the question in bond order. O minus 2, N 2, O minus minus 2, CO plus CO. So increasing order, decreasing order. At the same time, bond order plus bond length. What happened? Bond order increases, bond length what happened, bond strength what happens, increasing or decreasing order. So kindly keep, you know to calculate the bond order. At the same time, you are supposed to know how to write increasing, how to write decreasing order. You have to write. And so when you have a perfection, you have to take the notes. You have to prepare notes every day for each, and not only my contribution, you have to draw, you have to write each and every concept what I have uploaded videos in your master's notes. Each and everything you have to write one notes, and you have to daily, you have to maintain the notes while going to examinations. Last in a day or two, you have to face the examination. During that type of, before you are going to examinations, so simply you verify that notes. You will be in a befitting manner, then only. Otherwise, you can't remember all the things. So every day you have to maintain proper notes. You have to write, and read daily. So at the same time, chemical equilibrium, acid basis, we have question. So ionic equilibrium. So that type of topic also, KPKC relations, KPKC problems, conjugate acids basis, Ka, KB, pH, pKa, pK. So there are many questions are there. So you kindly keep it in mind. You pay attention. The topic also covers two questions. At the same time, solid state surface tension. Solid state, I am expecting definitely Schottky Frankel defect. Density increases in case of Schottky defect. No change in Frankel defect. At the same time, octahedral holes, tetrahedral holes, density. How we have to find density. So many problematic questions are present in solid state. So kindly, definitely, I am expecting problematic questions in solid state. Hexagonal, rhombic, so cubic, how many sides are there, how many atoms are present. So you pay attention, solid state. Definitely, you may lose mark if you fail to befitting manner in chemistry regarding solid state. So solid state will fetch you unless if you perfection to solve the problems in solid state. So kindly keep it in mind. Solid state, definitely question may be arranged, but problematic questions I am thinking. So kindly do attention to do each and every problem in solid state. Surface tension directly question, gold number. You may expect gold number question, which is emulsions, gold number. So many questions are absorption, catalysis. Many questions are there. What is Ziegler-Natta catalyst? What is the castate used in hydrogenation of nickels? What is Wilkinson catalyst? So many questions are there. So you pay attention to that. Is no problem regarding surface chemistry, but the problem is solid state. Kindly pay attention. So that was covered. At the same, nuclear chemistry, environment chemistry, direct question. Environment chemistry, direct Bhopal, what is the gas present in Bhopal gas? Methyl isocyanate, that question was asked for 2 times. Nuclear chemistry also a very easy question. So, but you have to prepare. What is radioactivity? What is alpha particle? What is beta particle? What happens when a nucleid emits alpha particle? What happens when nucleid emits beta particle? So many questions are there. So if you are well versed in modern physics, then you will be able to know. Then you will calculate the nuclear chemistry also. So kindly keep it in mind. At the same time, mole concept you may expect 1 mark, redox reactions 1 mark, electrochemistry 1 mark, chemical kinetics. This topic also may expect rate reaction, how to rate the order of reaction, what is zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction. Many questions are there. So problematic, we can expect problem from this topic. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics, we may expect problem. So kindly be attentive. Solutions also, colligative properties also we may expect problem. Solutions to colligative properties also, one question may be asked. Chemical kinetics, one question. So general organic chemistry, what is mesomeric effect, inductive effect, hyperconjugation, reactivity order, carbocations, carbanions, carbenes, many resonance ability, resonance structures. So many questions are there. So there may be electron withdrawing, electron donating groups, electrophiles, nucleophiles. So you be attentive. You may expect 1 mark in that. At the same stereochemistry, stereoisomerism, you have, they may pose one question. Hydrocarbons, one question. At the same time, alkyl halides, Grignard reagent. What happens if Grignard reagent reacts with the water? Alkanes obtained. Grignard reagent reacts with amines, alkanes. Grignard reagent with alcohol, alkane. Direct question. If you go through all the reactions from point to point in textbook, NCERT textbook played a vital role. Already yesterday I uploaded one video regarding how to. So textbook is the key factor to fetch highest score in chemistry. Each and every bit, point to point, you write it. You prepare a notes, and then you can attempt. Then you can go through the notes before examinations. You simply watch that notes. Then you will be able to know. You will be more remember. Then only you can catch all the points. Carboxylic acids derivatives, acids, acidic strength, basic strength, pKa, pKb. When molar mass increases, what happens? Acidic strength. So many questions are there. Increasing or decreasing order. Benzoic acid, acidic acid, okay, phenol, increasing order, decreasing order, pKa, increasing or decreasing, pKb, increasing or decreasing order. So many questions are there. You please attentive. You write it, you note it, you read it, you write it. Read it, write it, read it. Carbohydrates, hormones, carbohydrates, one question may be posed. At aromatic compounds, aromatic, you know very well, benzene substitution reactions, nucleophilic, aromatic, nitration, sulfonation, Sandmeyer reaction, at the same time Wolff-Kishner, Wurtz fitting, many reactions are there. Kolbe reaction, Remer-Timmer reaction, HBJ reaction, Canniger reaction, many reactions are there. You kindly keep it in mind. You simply, I will send a YouTube lesson to you regarding all named reactions covering. From methane to, I will start from methane and I will cover all the named reactions, 35-40 named reactions will cover. Fitting reaction, Stephens reaction, Wurtz reaction, Wurtz fitting, Grignard reagent, how you prepare cumene, isopropyl benzene cumene. What is isopropyl benzene cumene? We have to prepare phenol from cumene. I will send all these, I will cover all the named reactions in a single shot. I will send a video. You please go through the video, then you will be able to know. So this is the blueprint. Number of questions asked from each and every topic by the National Testing Agency. So you will be in a perfect manner if you follow it, if you pay attention towards it. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Yours Chandrasekhar. Thank you. Thank you very much.